this was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture science, we do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except the ones who are dead. But there's no sense crying over every mistake. We just keep on trying till we run out of cake. And the science gets done, engineering begun for the people who are still alive.
Hello, and welcome to the second White Storm Lightning dev vlog. There have been multiple delays, and it is very late, but it is here. The old White Storm Lightning you knew is completely gone. I put it into a documentation file and restarted, and I've been working all summer very, very hard. So, I can't wait to show off the new capability. The framework has been completely designed, there is a new collision system, and even a new rendering system. So, I hope you enjoy this dev vlog. Here I'd like to discuss the new framework that I've been implementing that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. The new framework has two main categories, framework and subframework. Framework has three main categories, main, common, and physical. Subframework has mobile, ghost, objects, and static. It should be noted that physical is a component within itself because it only contains the collidable class. All the classes in mobile inherit from all the classes in main. All the classes in Ghost inherit from all the classes in main except for the viewable class. All the classes in Object inherit from the viewable class in main. All the classes in Static inherit from the viewable class in main. Main is the part of the framework of which the rest of the framework as a whole will be based around in order to create a component system. In a sense, it is the meat, or the main part of the framework. All the classes in Mobile inherit from a vector class in common. All the classes in Ghost inherit from a vector class in common. All the classes in Object inherit from a synchronization class in common, and a synchronization and vector class in common. Common is the part of the framework of which all the subclasses derive from commonly. Therefore, it is named the common part of the framework. In all the categories in the subframework, some or all classes inherit from collidable. Physical is called physical because it has a class collidable and makes the objects that collidable inherits from physical. I'm going to explain some of the usefulness of or purposes of this model of inheritance. For example, mobile, and one of the classes inherits both from the viewable component and the vector component, in a sense, because you may want something that can be seen and can move, but not tangible, such as the sun in the sky. You may want something that can collide and can move but cannot be seen, for something such as a boss at the end of a level, which has the power to turn himself invisible, and you would want to collide with it but not see it. Objects is pretty self-explanatory in itself. They can move, they can be seen, and we can collide with. But there is a static object, which you may want to be for a tile. You want to see it, you want to collide with it, but you want something that can be collided with but cannot be seen or moved, for something such as a level boundary, in which you would not want the player to go outside the level and discover that there is nothing there. Okay guys, so the main framework and the rendering system I don't think will be quite ready to show off in this video. I apologize, I worked really hard, but they just weren't ready. Perhaps I'll update in a month or so, showing them off. But